Welcome to Graph Tutorials, I'm Shiva, and in this video we'll be taking a look at how you can sample colors inside of Illustrator two ways. So I have this circle and I have a picture of a rose, and I wanted to show you two easy ways on how you can sample color from a picture inside of Illustrator. Now, let's select the circle. If you take your eyedropper tool and you just click this picture, then as you can see, it transfers to no color, and that's not what you want. The first way you can select this color is by pressing the Shift key and then clicking. And now it takes the color you see in the picture. But you can also eliminate the shift clicking by going to your eyedropper tool and double clicking it. And now you get the eyedropper tool options, and then just deselect the appearance, press OK. And now if I click this image without pressing my shift key, it also takes the color. So two easy ways to sample color from an image inside of Illustrator. Press the Shift key or go to the eyedropper tool options by double-clicking the eyedropper tool and then deselecting appearance. Quick video, hope you liked it. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did, and if you want to see more, maybe also press the subscribe button with the little bell icon. For now, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.